Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to connect your Epson ET-2810 printer to Wi-Fi? It can be done easily with the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. If you want one-on-one assistance, please call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, follow my instructions to connect your printer and Wi-Fi via the WPS method. First, locate the WPS button on your router. After that, go to your printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the button and the Wi-Fi will enter the WPS mode. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 3 seconds, then wait for 2 minutes to connect. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials, mention your problem in the comments. Notice the Wi-Fi direct light goes out and turns back on, which shows it has been connected with the Wi-Fi network.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.